Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the meat pan cover glass insert in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new meat pan cover glass insert. This glass insert is located in the middle of the refrigerator section. It serves as a glass shelf. The main reason to replace the meat pan cover glass insert is if it breaks and won't keep the food on. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old cover glass insert, I'm going to pull out the drawer and lift it up. I'm going to hold it and slide it out. This is the old meat pan cover glass insert next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to insert the new glass at the back. I'm going to lower it down and I'm going to support it from underneath. Make sure it's in, and then I'm going to slide it in the drawer, and we're going to remove this label unless you want to have it there. It's optional. And now when we're done, we're going to close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.